Okay, I'm back. It has been a while. It's actually has been a week, and I didn't really have time to continue my work here. So today is Saturday, and I finally have some time here. So I'm going to do the part four today. So far we already have like two sides of the walls, and oh, shoot. And we already have this coffee maker, and we have some cups, flowers, and yeah, so basically the foundation of this set. So today we're going to do the part four, and according to the instruction, it looks like this is the counter part and the coffee table. That's interesting. And featuring in this pack, we have Chandler. So, as usual, let me just grab everything first. Yay! Pack four. Very careful. And let's put up with the little Chandler first. So I have the head and body here. Let's see how to. There's yay. Head on the body. Cool. And where's the legs? Oh, this is Chandler's tiny laptop. Okay. Where's the body? Where's the body? Where's the legs? Here. Wait. What? What? Oh, here. Okay, and here. Oh, I like Chandler's haircut. It's really cute. Like, oof, very real. And what's in Chandler's hand is the computer. Oh, see this? This is like really nice work because it can actually fold. See? And then we will have the computer in his hands. Well, usually you will not carry a computer like this, but oh well, I guess that worked fine. Stand there, little Chandler. Mr. Chandler Bong. Okay. Now I think what it is a curtain. It's a yeah, it's a curtain. It should be a curtain. And it's a little bit complicated, but we'll see. Uh-huh. So this is actually the end of the part 4. It's much shorter, more easier than I thought. I guess compared with the other parts, this part is comparatively easy to do. But it's actually very cute because we have like a tiny counter here. We have the tiny table here. You can see there's a little muffin inside this container, and we have this very pop-out service sign. It's very cool. And once again, let me have those spare parts in the pocket, and we'll take little Chandler to take a rest with other people. Cool. So this is a part 4, and I will be back soon for the part 5.